morning. This is Cheoah Bald, I think is what it said. Good morning. I had to stop and get rid of some of this rain gear. I've been wearing rain jacket and pants because it's supposed to rain today, but I just got too hot. I got to take it off and go for a while. But yeah, I left camp this morning about 6:30, and it was a sardine can. The Sassafras Shelter, first one coming up out of the knock, and I think everybody getting a late start from the knock. Just a good place to stop because it was supposed to rain and thunderstorm last night, and it did. And we had, I think, 15 people and a dog in that shelter, and it was packed. I mean, it's probably the floor space of an average bedroom in that shelter, and it was absolutely packed. But we made it. I don't think I left anything behind this morning. I think I got all my stuff. So anyway, heading on down the mountain. So we'll see you up the trail. Unbelievable. I got him again. Incredible. Fresh ground is back. Oh my gosh, I've been super blessed. Timing was incredible. Fresh grounds pulled up here and gave us a boost. It says he's going to bring us supper tonight. I get in.
But I'm getting ready to go down right now. Come on.
Incredible.
Yeah. Let me have a water bottle.
All right, been kind of a miserable day so far, weather-wise, but it's not raining right now. So clicking along this ridge line, got a little easier walking for a few minutes. So quickly, while I'm in North Carolina, I wanted to take this opportunity to give a shout out to a North Carolina state trooper named Officer Phillips. We met on the ride down here, somewhere on his highways, where I was going a bit too fast. That's the way he put it. He was going just a little bit too fast. And it was through a school zone, so he said, but I don't know about that, but it's like a divided highway. But anyway, I think I was topping 70 a bit, maybe, in a 55 normal. And he asked to see my driver's license and check me out. Went back to his car, came back, told me to slow down a bit and have a great day. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. He let a Virginia driver escape and didn't give me a ticket. So I know he'll probably never see this, but I just wanted to recognize him. Regardless, Officer Phillips, thank you for so much for not starting my journey out on a sour note. That was a good day. Talk to you later. All right, I'll wind this day up. I'm laying here in my tent. It's about 5:45, and it's been a long day. I think we did 15.4 miles today. Pretty dreary day. Wasn't a whole lot of filming. Just a lot of walking. So wasn't a lot of stuff, really good views to see, and just trying to make time to get here. So tomorrow will be a shorter day into Fontana. So we got like 6-7 miles to get there, get a room, get cleaned up, and get ready to go into the Smokies. Probably Saturday. So anyway, need to get rested up for that a little bit. Every day has something amazing to it, you know, and like today we ran into fresh grounds just when we were crossing a road there at Stecoah Gap. He just happened to be passing by, swung her back around and offered us some snacks and water refills, and then said he'd meet us at the next road crossing and bring us some fried chicken for supper. And he was there. He was going to just leave it and have us, you know, take it into camp, but he ended up setting up his van there and served us all fried chicken and potato salad, macaroni salad, huge chunks of bread, and whatever else you wanted to have. It was just incredible. So I actually got to have supper before I ever came up here to camp. This shelter here is just it's kind of a dump. It's an old shelter. Might hold 4 people total anyway. But everybody's pretty much set the tent up here. It ain't much to it. So we're gonna call it a day. And I know not a whole lot of video today, but maybe tomorrow. Well, tomorrow will be shorter, but I don't know what kind of views or whatever we got on the way into Fontana. But one thing about it, he did tell us he's doing breakfast up there at the Fontana Hilton shelter in the morning, and wanted to know if we wanted lunch or breakfast. And I think everybody said breakfast. So we're gonna hike out of here in the morning and be up there for breakfast around 10-11 o'clock, and we'll have him again. So we'll probably see you then for sure. Anyway, say goodnight, everybody. We'll talk to you tomorrow.